Yo, got some new coils for the IS300. We're gonna install them in 3, 2, wait, what? That's wrong. What I did was I loosened all the wheels while they're on the ground first, because that way the wheels aren't spinning. I mean, you could have your e-brake on, but it's easier when it's on the ground. Yes, I know I'm missing a leg nut. The stud's actually stripped. And then on this side I did the same, obviously. And jacked up the carb from the rear diff. There's safety first, you know. This is not the best way to chalk your wheels, but so I have an impact, so let's make it like 10 times easier, but you can do it by hand. You have your camber bolt, you have your, normally there's a sway bar bolt here, but I had to remove it because I had to cut mine, so right now I'm not running a rear sway bar, but I have one in the trunk. Then you have your strut. Then you have another bolt down here, which I believe is a 19. They should all be 19s really. But I marked my camber bolt well on the other side, so I'm gonna mark this one really quick. And that way when I put it on, I won't have any issues lining or having camber issues. So I'm gonna do that right now. I didn't film this part, I don't know why I did not, but I put this bolt back in. You see the marks that I made. I put this bolt also back in. It's just the strut. So what I did first is I put the strut in the control arm, and then I jacked it up and lined up the holes. Since I'm alone, normally you would put the strut in and then have someone thread in the nuts by hand. I don't have anybody, so this is the way I did it. To have it jacked up, I put the bolts back in, which, I mean, they're in, but they're not tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them right now. I believe I might have gone all the way hard. I've gone back 5, because all the way hard is too much. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna leave it there for now, and then I'm gonna obviously drive it. So this just kind of tucks back into place. This just goes under here. If you are going to sell your old coils, I would say keep these nuts that were on the struts already, so you can put them on. And I guess that way they're set to this strut. Oh, there she is. It's a a little high. It's a horrible. Probably lower it right now since everything's loose. Yeah, you see how the front's like slammed. But both coils are installed. Now I'm officially on a completely BC racing. Both my cars are BC racing, as you see in there. It's also on BC. That's also on BC as well. But alright, I think that's gonna be it for this. Peace.